Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to get rid of this error forever. So you will have this MKV from Streamlabs because you make some recordings and stuff like that to show to your subscribers something really interesting. But when you go here, this video, it's not good for Premiere Pro. And we can try all day long and night. And you can fix it inside of OBS, which is perfect. Because here we record our videos. So let's go to settings right here. And when you are here, go to advanced. So you will have here this box unchecked. So make sure it's checked, because after you finish your recording, you will have also the remux video and also the MP4. So make sure you have both of them. Don't go like crazy to have just let me check. I can't make any updates here because I'm recording right now, but on recording format, make sure it's MKV. This is the best, because if OBS will crash and you'll have 30 minutes of video and you try to speak for your audience, and you will see that OBS was crashed and you need to start over again. MP4 will not help you. So make sure the settings are the same. Maybe I will make a video about these settings and what should be the best for YouTube and recording your screen and stuff like that. But for now, make sure you have this MKV, and on advanced, you have automatically remux the MP4. If you have also this problem from older videos, you have also inside of OBS the solution. So go to file and you will have this remux recordings. Search that video. Let's pick this one because it's MKV. Let's open it, and after that, when you hit this remux button, will turn this MKV in a MP4. So it's already exists. I don't want to rewrite this, but will be instant made. And this should solve your problem. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, make sure you hit that like button, because if I help you, you will help me with the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment below, because again, will help me a lot. So I help you once, you help me twice. It's a deal or not. Thanks for watching.